How to add a user to your Indeed account. Visit the Indeed website and log in using your employer account credentials. Once logged in, navigate to your employer dashboard or account settings. You can usually find this by clicking on your name or profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. Look for a section or tab labeled User Management, Team Members, or something similar. This is where you can manage users associated to your Indeed account. Within the User Management section, look for an option to add user or invite user, and click on it to proceed. Fill in the required information for the new user, including their name, email address, and any other relevant details. Select the appropriate role or permissions for the new user. Depending on your account settings, you may be able to assign different levels of access, such as admin, recruiter, or viewer. Once you've entered the user's information and assigned their role, send them an invitation by clicking on the Send Invitation or Invite User button. The new user will receive an email invitation to join your Indeed account. They need to accept the invitation to complete the process. Once the invited user accepts the invitation, they'll gain access to your Indeed account according to the role you assigned. After adding the new user, review your user list to ensure that the changes have been accurately reflected. By following these steps, you can easily add a user to your Indeed account and manage your team effectively. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.